we have a look at GU. Let's start with GU on the monthly. So if we have a look at on the bullish structure is nice and clean. Monthly structure is nice and clean, bullish, but we've got this area here that we've been mentioning in the past. So we've got this important area of where price broke down. We could now see a bearish confirmation of this. We've also got this yearly trend line up above. We're in a little bit of an area here. We could see price come up to fill these gaps, touch this trend line, and then come back down. Or we could see at this area now we could start seeing the bearish move. But we are still bullish at the minute. Still bullish on the monthly. Just going off the monthly chart, I can see here. Obviously, we've got this monthly structure point, which holds a lot of weight. So we could potentially, as I mentioned in me prices here, number two, we've got 1.23200 to look for buys if price can establish support at this area. The area we mentioned, the reason we mentioned this area holds so much value is obviously it's the monthly structure point, and we've got a monthly supply and demand at this area, which is 1.23250. So that's an important level of supply and demand, and it's also our monthly structure point. So it would be nice if price can retrace all the way back to this area, and then we see a big move. And we've also got this area, so that'd be 250 pip move, just to if we could retest on the end and establish support. Sorry. So that's how we're looking on the monthly. Go down to the weekly. And the weekly, we've nice clean bullish structure come up here. And then we've come back down and we've retested this weekly structure point. At the minute, prices come down with really big bearish candle. It hasn't managed to engulf the previous candle, but we are showing obviously the buyers momentum running out, and we've got sellers pressure coming in. So we are still bullish on the weekly on GU, but if we look at this, so prices establish support here at this weekly structure point and also this area of supply and demand. So I'll be paying attention to how price reacts around this area. So going to the daily, see the daily, monthly, weekly looking bullish. We go down into the daily. See, we had a little bit of a pullback here, and then prices ripped through this daily structure point, and also this daily structure point. It's basically ripped through all of these zones that have been holding the support. So we could potentially see a retest of these areas and then going down. But with us being bullish on the monthly and bullish on the weekly, I'm expecting price to establish support here and then go to the upside. So I'll be waiting to see how price opens up tomorrow. And obviously, they say we're paying close attention to Wednesday's fundamentals. So we could see a lot of sideways action with this being a major pair. We could see a lot of sideways action until Wednesday when we break either. Once again, I've mentioned 1.24200 for buys, 1.23200, excuse me, mentioned that area as well, but we could also see a break of 1.26300, which is the weekly structure point to the upside. So if price opens up where it is now, and then we break this area and establish supports, then we could see a move to the upside, which it could be, it's a potentially quite a sizable move. Because if we look at this area here, we had that nice clean traffic on the way down. So we're at this double top area now. So if price can break above that, establish support, then we have got a potential, the potential for a really clean move to the upside. That's 360 pips right there. But yeah, that's what I'm waiting for on GU at the minute. So if we go into Great British Pound, Japanese Yen, so we have a look at GJ. GJ's been giving us nice bullish structure.